So let's look at this question. Calculate the variance of the following set of numbers below. Don't mind me. So we have 5, we have 11, we have 13, we have 14, and we have what? 17. So variance is a very, very strict topic. Just go through your mathematics textbook. Now, for us to get the variance of these numbers, the very first thing we need to do is to get our mean. Yes, you remember mean, right? Averages. So I'll come here, I'll bring out this, my x bar equal to 5 plus 11 plus 13 plus 14 plus 17. Everything over. How many numbers do we have here? We have 5 numbers. Are you with me? So if we are to add these numbers, 5 plus 11, that gives me 16. 16 plus 13, that gives me 29. 29 plus 14, that gives me 43. 43 plus 17, that gives me what? That gives me 60. So I'm having 60 over what? Over 5. Now, 60 divided by 5, if we are to divide this, 5 here 1, 5 in 6, that gives me 1. And then that 1, 5 in 10, that gives me what? That gives me 2. So I have what? I have 12 here. Now, very, very easy. I've done the very first step. The second step is to subtract each of these numbers from what? From your mean. So let's do that. So I'll come here, I'll be having 12 minus 5, 11, 12 minus 11, 12 minus 13, but let me have this as plus. Yes, I'm going somewhere. Plus 12 minus 14 plus 12 minus 17. I hope I'm making sense, please. So from here, this is what I plan doing. I want to square this at the end of the day. Yes, I'm going to square this. So 12 minus 5 gives me what? That gives me 7. 7 squared gives me what? That gives me 49. Yes. 12 minus 11, that gives me 1. 1 squared gives me 1. 12 minus 13, that gives me minus 1. Minus 1 squared, that is still what? Plus 1. 12 minus 14, that's what? Minus 2. Minus 2 squared, that gives me 4. 12 minus 17, that's minus 5. Minus 5 squared, that gives me plus 25. So I'm going to add all this divided by what? Divided by 5. Am I making sense, please? So at this point in time, if I divide this, 49 plus 1, that gives me 40, that gives me 50. 50 plus 1, that's 51. 51 plus 4, that's 55. 55 plus 25. 55 plus 25, that gives me 80. 80. So 80 divided by 5. Now at this point, let's divide. How many times can 5 go in 8? That gives me 5 and 8 gives me 1. Remainder 3. 5 and 30, that gives me what? 6. So I'm having what? I'm having 16 here. So that's my variance. Very, very easy. Very, very easy.